Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we had the Fed press conference, and the interest rate will be up, 50 basis points. So just as predicted, no surprise on that. And let's talk about the couple of other things which were announced. Okay, then we have Gucci. They actually begin accepting Bitcoin in some stores in the United States. And we have France's Financial Authority approves Binance's registration as a digital asset service provider, which is good for Binance for sure. Guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to stay up to date, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I'm bringing you the freshest. Plus, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. And now it's time to move on to the market, and let's not start with this, start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 1.9%, Ethereum 3.2%, so Bitcoin is at the moment $39,611, while Ethereum is 2,933. When we're looking at the top gainers, because the alts went also pretty well after yesterday's announcement, Zilliqa is up 32%, Waves 28%, and Axie Infinity 14%. And when we're looking at the losers, well, this is basically nothing, not even mentionable. As you can see here on the 4-hour one, we had here this green upward candle because the Fed announcement. And this is what happened recently. So we back to the levels of, 39,000-ish, kind of, just around 40,000. So, which is great because we moved further away from this long support trend line, put it this way. But when we had this channel kind of thing, we haven't reached this one. And now we, again, going a little bit sideways. So we'll see how it will turn out. Okay, and now let's move on to the news, the reason why we are pumping right now about the Fed announcement, which, happened yesterday. Okay, so the things looking actually not bad, especially if you're looking at today's market moves, because we had the announcement from Fed and they saying yes, 50 basis points. So just as it was predicted before. Another important thing when we zoom in here a little bit, that Fed Chairman Jerome Powell underlined that commitment to bringing inflation down by indicated that rising rates by 75 basis points at the time is not something that a committee is actively considering. So they saying right now, you believe them or not, that's another question, that it is, not even a discussion point among them. So because, that was the risky part of it, that many analysts said that it can happen, and experts that they will be even more harsh and increase with 75 basis points. And this is something but definitely the market hasn't priced in, and that would actually bring down more the prices, but it did not happen. In addition, the central bank outlined the program which it eventually will reduce its bonds holding by 95 billion a month. So this is also important. And also the Fed said that in the next 2 rate hikes will be 50 basis points. And because they said so many information, there is no surprise right now what can happen. So this is actually good for the market because the market can price in things, the market can calculate. So if they follow the roadmap, what they actually outlined right now, so this is now 50 basis points, and then the next one in the summer, and the next one, it will be also something like that. We also know that we have to calculate with this 95 billion a month, reduce the bond holdings, what they have. It's also now calculated in. So with all these things, you can maybe have a better future plan. and the investors can better plan. And this could be actually good for the market, could be good for the stock market, could be good for the crypto market. But how it will turn out, obviously, we will see. Okay, and now let's move on to the next topic. It's all about that Gucci begins accepting Bitcoin in some of its stores. I have to say that fashion brand Gucci, it's really, cutting edge when it comes to technology, because now, for instance, they announced that they, starting accepting Bitcoin in some stores, but not just Bitcoin, by the way. So here we go, that the iconic fashion brand Gucci will begin accepting cryptocurrency in some of the US locations later this month, so it's coming up pretty soon. It plans to roll out the program to North American stores this summer. According to Vogue Business, in-store payment will be made using a QR code that customers can scan with their crypto wallet sent by Gucci via email. So this is how it's going to work. The stores will accept various digital currencies, including Bitcoin, so not just Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu, so two of the main coins as well. So here you can see the stores they're going to start with. And you shouldn't forget that earlier, this year Gucci entered the metaverse by purchasing a virtual land, in a decentralized blockchain game called the Sandbox. So this is also something that Gucci showed that they're really interested in this, new space in metaverse, in cryptocurrency. And now some of the stores, and this is always a start, so this is like a trial period, they figure out how it works, and then they pushing it to the other stores, because they realized that many crypto people, they made quite nice gains during the time they are in crypto, love to spend their crypto or money on Gucci. So why those people should cash out if they can go straight away into the Gucci? So this is the reason they made their move. I think it's a clever one from them. Okay, next topic, it's all about it. France's financial authority approved Binance's registration as digital asset service provider. So they're getting safe in France. We do remember that the Binance did have problem with all these, authorized registration in different countries, but now things getting back on track. For instance, now we have here France's financial authority, which approves Binance's registration as digital asset service provider. So the AMF, France's authority responsible for regulating the finance market, has granted Binance's registration to provide crypto-related services in the country. And these services include custodying assets, exchange digital assets for other tokens or legal tender, and operating a digital asset platform. So pretty much a lot of important things. So to move into France, signaled Binance's latest expansion of its global operation, having obtained in principle approvals to operate in Abu Dhabi in April. So this is how they actually now develop. So there we had Abu Dhabi. And in March, regulators in the Middle East also gave the green light for the exchange to provide services in Bahrain and Dubai. So it's getting better and better for Binance, because they did face this kind of issues about regulations. It didn't really help the whole Binance service, but they are, the biggest when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges. So definitely it's very important for them to grow, and also very important to get all this kind of, registrations from different countries' financial authorities. And it looks like now in France, this is sorted out. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to stay up to date, because every single weekday I'm bringing you the freshest. I'm back tomorrow. I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.